Do you want to speak English fluently, clearly, and confidently, just like a native speaker? There's a powerful technique that language learners around the world use, but very few people actually understand how to do it the right way. It's called the shadowing method. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what shadowing is, why it works, how to practice it step by step, and how you can use it daily to sound more natural, fluent, and confident in English. Part 1. What is shadowing? So let's start with the basics. Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say at the same time, almost like a shadow following them. Think about it. When you walk in the sun, your shadow is always there, moving with you. In the same way, when you shadow a speaker, your voice follows theirs instantly. Unlike regular listening practice where you just listen passively, shadowing forces you to listen and speak simultaneously. This means your brain is working twice as hard, processing sound, copying rhythm, and producing speech, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. Part 2. Why does shadowing work? Shadowing works because it trains 3 critical areas at the same time. 1. Pronunciation and accent. You're copying the exact sounds, stress, and intonation patterns of native speakers. This helps you avoid the robotic or textbook English sound. 2. Fluency and speed. Because you're speaking immediately, there's no time to translate in your head. Your brain learns to think in English, not in your native language. 3. Listening skills. You train your ears to recognize the natural flow of English, including connected speech, reduced sounds, and everyday expressions. These small details are what make English sound natural. Shadowing helps you notice them and reproduce them without overthinking. Part 3. The history of shadowing. Now, you might be surprised to know that shadowing was first popularized by Professor Alexander Arguez, a polyglot who speaks more than 30 languages. He developed this method to train himself in multiple languages quickly, and it became one of the most respected techniques among serious language learners. And the good news is, you don't need to be a genius polyglot to use it. Anyone at any level can practice shadowing. Part 4. How to practice shadowing. Step by step. All right, let's get practical. Here are the 5 steps to do shadowing effectively. Step 1. Choose the right material. Don't just pick random English content. Choose something. At your level, not too hard, not too easy. With clear audio and natural speech that you actually enjoy, like a podcast, a TED Talk, or even a TV show. Step 2. Listen first before repeating. Listen carefully once or twice. Try to catch the rhythm, tone, and overall meaning. This step is important because you need context before you mimic. Step 3. Shadow immediately. Now play the audio again and repeat instantly after the speaker, without pausing. It's okay if you can't say every word perfectly at first. The goal is to follow the rhythm and speed. Example. Native says, "What are you doing today?" Learner repeats instantly. "What are you doing today?" Step 4. Focus on imitation, not perfection. Don't worry about understanding every word in the beginning. Focus on sounding like the speaker. Copy their intonation, their stress, their emotion. Pretend you are an actor performing their role. Step 5. Repeat and record yourself. Record your shadowing practice and compare it with the original. You'll start noticing differences in your pronunciation and rhythm, and over time, those differences will shrink. This is how you start sounding more natural. Part 5. Different levels of shadowing. There are actually 3 levels of shadowing, depending on your skill. 1. Beginner level, silent, shadowing. Move your lips silently as you listen. This trains your mouth to follow the rhythm. 2. Intermediate level, whisper shadowing, whisper as you shadow. This helps you practice pronunciation without worrying about volume. 3. Advanced level, full shadowing. Speak at the same speed and tone as the speaker. This is where you really push your fluency. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let me warn you about some common mistakes students make with shadowing. Translating in your head. The moment you translate, you lose speed. Just copy sounds. Speaking too slowly. Shadowing is about speed and rhythm. Don't pause. Choosing boring material. If you hate the audio, you won't continue. Pick something you enjoy. Giving up too quickly. Shadowing feels hard at first, but after 1 to 2 weeks, you'll notice big improvements. Part 7. How long should you practice? You don't need hours and hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough to see progress. But consistency is the key. Doing shadowing for 10 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Part 8. Example practice together. Let's try a quick shadowing exercise together. I'll say a short sentence and I want you to repeat immediately after me. Don't pause, just follow. Example 1. I'm really excited to learn English today. Example 2. Shadowing helps me sound more natural. Example 3. The more I practice, the more confident I feel. Great job! That's exactly how shadowing feels. Part 9. Shadowing in real life. You can practice shadowing anywhere. While walking in the park, while doing housework, even while commuting. Just put on your headphones, play a podcast or video, and start shadowing. Over time, it becomes as natural as singing along to your favorite song. Part 10. Final motivation and call to action. Remember, shadowing is not about being perfect. It's about training your brain, your ears, and your mouth to work together. If you practice every day, even for just a few minutes, you'll notice. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your fluency becomes faster. And your confidence grows massively. So, start today. Pick one video, one podcast, or even this YouTube video, and begin shadowing. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more English learning tips, and comment below. Have you ever tried shadowing before? What was your experience?